Tell Mommy what's on your face.
Eyeshadow.
Eyeshadow. Wow, you're pretty good at putting on the eyeshadow.
Can you put on the eyeshadow?
Well, next time Mommy will put it on for you, okay? Because I think what you put on is mascara.
Can we just look?
Hang on a sec. Let's get you a mirror, okay? Let's look in Mommy's room. Come on.
Okay. Let's look at
Em, over here. Can you see?
Mommy.
Yeah.
Mommy,
Yeah.
can you look at the picture?
Well, just a sec. Mommy wants to get your picture. Wow, you did a good job with that mascara, Emma. Hey? Hi, Sophia.
I want to
Wave.
make a pink. I want to make a
Well,
pink.
we're going to have to make a few adjustments to your makeup bag. We're going to have to get the mascara out of there.
Hey, wait, Sophia.
Okay, say bye.
Hi.
Say bye, Sophia. Bye-bye. Sophia. Hey.
No.